Welcome to this complete Salt Lake City, Utah travel guide. Salt Lake City, the capital of Utah, is nestled in the mountainous region of the United States. Known for more than its namesake, the Great Salt Lake, this city is a treasure trove of rich history, breathtaking landscapes, and vibrant culture. Salt Lake City is the heart of the Mormon faith, but its appeal extends beyond religious lines. It's a city that's home to a stunning blend of natural beauty and urban sophistication. Here, snow-capped mountains meet innovative architecture and serene parks intertwine with bustling city streets. The city's history is as deep as the lake itself, with tales that trace back to the indigenous Ute tribe, through the Mormon pioneers, and into the modern era of technological advancement. So buckle up for a journey through this fascinating city. Get ready to explore the top 10 places you must visit when you're in Salt Lake City. First on our list is the iconic Temple Square, a site steeped in rich history and cultural significance. Nestled in the heart of Salt Lake City, this 10-acre plot has been a beacon of community and faith since its inception in the mid-19th century. The square is renowned for its architectural grandeur, boasting a sublime blend of Gothic and Romanesque styles that leaves visitors in awe. It's not just a feast for the eyes, but also a testament to the resilience and pioneering spirit of the early settlers who laid its foundation. At its core, Temple Square is more than just a historical monument. It's a vibrant center for music, culture, and learning. It serves as a hub for community events, from concerts to art exhibits, and its lush gardens provide a peaceful respite amidst the city hustle. In essence, Temple Square is a microcosm of Salt Lake City's spirit, a blend of history, community, and beauty. A visit to Salt Lake City isn't complete without a stop at Temple Square. Next, we have the majestic Utah State Capitol. Located atop Capitol Hill, the Utah State Capitol is a beacon of architectural grandeur. Its neoclassical revival style, characterized by robust Corinthian columns and intricate motifs, is a true embodiment of American Renaissance architecture. This is not just a building, it's a monument that echoes the historical significance of Utah. The Capitol has been at the heart of Utah's governance since 1915, bearing witness to countless legislative sessions and historic events. It's here that policies shaping Utah's future have been debated and decided, making it an emblem of the state's vibrant democratic spirit. But the Capitol isn't just about politics. It offers breathtaking views of Salt Lake City and its surrounding mountains, a panorama that's nothing short of spectacular. The Capitol grounds, with their verdant lawns and blooming flowers, are a serene retreat in the heart of the urban hustle. The Utah State Capitol is a testament to the state's rich history and is a must-see for any visitor. Moving on, we have the namesake of the city, the Great Salt Lake. This shimmering expanse of saline water is a marvel to behold. Its unique characteristics make it a fascinating study for scientists and an intriguing destination for travelers. With a salinity that can exceed that of the ocean, the lake creates an environment where few creatures can survive, apart from brine shrimp and several types of algae. But don't let its name fool you. The Great Salt Lake isn't just for looking at, it's also a playground for outdoor enthusiasts. The lake's marinas offer a range of activities, from sailing and kayaking to bird watching. And for those who prefer dry land, there are miles of hiking trails that skirt the lake, offering breathtaking views, especially at sunset when the water mirrors the sky, creating a spectacle of colors. The Great Salt Lake truly is a natural wonder that you can't miss. For those who have a thirst for knowledge, the Natural History Museum of Utah is your next stop. This architectural masterpiece houses a wealth of information about the natural history and unique environment of Utah, making it a not-to-be-missed stop on our tour. The museum's 10 galleries offer a diverse range of exhibitions, from ancient life to the unique landscapes and ecosystems of Utah. Get ready to journey back in time as you explore the Past Worlds Gallery, where you'll be greeted by life-sized replicas of dinosaurs that once roamed the area. Or dive into the Native Voices Gallery to learn about the rich culture and history of the 5 native nations that have ties to Utah. Don't forget to marvel at the building itself. With its stunning design inspired by the natural rock formations found in Utah, the museum is a testament to the harmony between architecture and nature. The Natural History Museum of Utah is a treasure trove of information and is a perfect spot for both kids and adults. For nature lovers, the Red Butte Garden is a paradise. Imagine a canvas painted with the most vibrant hues. That's what Red Butte Garden looks like, a living masterpiece that changes with the seasons. It's home to an extensive range of plants from around the world, creating a botanical wonderland that delights the senses and nurtures the spirit. This isn't just a place to admire flora, but a tranquil sanctuary where the air is always fresh and the atmosphere peaceful. As you stroll through the garden, you can't help but feel a sense of serenity washing over you. It's like stepping into a different world where time slows down. But that's not all. This garden is more than just a beautiful display of nature. It's a vibrant community hub, hosting a variety of events throughout the year, from concerts to plant sales and educational workshops. So whether you're a plant enthusiast or simply looking for a peaceful escape, Red Butte Garden is a perfect place to relax and connect with nature. If you're an animal lover, the Hogle Zoo is the place for you. Nestled in Salt Lake City, this zoo is a testament to the beauty of wildlife and the importance of conservation. Here, you can find an array of animals from every corner of the globe, from majestic African elephants to playful otters, and even the king of the jungle himself, the mighty lion. The Hogle Zoo is more than just an exhibition of exotic creatures. It's a hub of conservation efforts. Their commitment to protecting and preserving these wonderful species extends far beyond the zoo's boundaries. They're actively involved in global conservation initiatives, working tirelessly to ensure that these magnificent creatures are around for future generations to marvel at. But it's not all serious business here. The zoo also hosts numerous events throughout the year, including educational programs, sleepovers, and even some animal-themed parties. So, whether you're an avid zoologist or just a casual visitor, Hogle Zoo is a fun and educational experience for all ages. For the shoppers among us, the City Creek Center is your haven. A delightful blend of retail therapy and architectural wonder, it's a place where style and structure meet. With over 100 stores, from high-end brands to unique local boutiques, your shopping bags will be brimming with treasures in no time. And it's not just about the shopping. The center's design is a marvel in itself, boasting a fully retractable roof, a creek that runs through the complex, and even a pedestrian sky bridge. It's a feast for the eyes as well as the wallet. But let's not forget about the food. With an array of dining options, from quick bites to gourmet meals, you'll find something to satiate every palate. Whether it's a quick sushi roll, a hearty Italian pasta, or a decadent dessert, your taste buds are in for a treat. City Creek Center is a shopper's paradise in the heart of Salt Lake City. Liberty Park is the place to be for outdoor enthusiasts. Picture this, a sprawling 80 acres of greenery nestled in the heart of Salt Lake City, a haven of tranquility amidst the urban hustle. It's not just the lush landscape that draws visitors, but the myriad of activities available. You can take a leisurely stroll around the scenic pond or engage in a spirited game of tennis. If you're a fan of feathered friends, the aviary is a must-visit, boasting an array of exotic birds that would put a rainbow to shame. For the history buffs, take a walk back in time at the Chase Home Museum of Utah Folk Arts. But Liberty Park isn't just a daytime affair. Throughout the year, it plays host to a variety of events, from lively music festivals to serene yoga sessions. So whether you're an adrenaline junkie or a peace seeker, Liberty Park is a perfect spot for a day of fun and relaxation. Last but not least, we have the Tabernacle and Antelope Island State Park. The Tabernacle, in the heart of Salt Lake City, is a marvel of pioneer architecture. Built in the late 19th century, its unique dome-shaped roof and world-renowned acoustics are a testament to the ingenuity of those early settlers. The Tabernacle is not just a building, but a symbol of the community's perseverance and unity. Now let's journey from the heart of the city to the tranquility of nature at Antelope Island State Park. This park is a haven for wildlife, including its namesake, antelope, and offers a range of activities from hiking and biking to birdwatching. Immerse yourself in the natural beauty as you explore the diverse landscapes, from the sparkling shores of the Great Salt Lake to the rugged mountain ranges. Both the Tabernacle and Antelope Island State Park offer unique experiences that you won't find anywhere else. And there you have it, the top 10 places you must visit in Salt Lake City. From the historic marvel of Temple Square to the majestic Utah State Capitol, each location has its unique charm. Let's not forget the awe-inspiring Great Salt Lake, a site that is truly a feast for the eyes. The Natural History Museum of Utah, Red Butte Garden, and Hogle Zoo offer immersive experiences into the vibrant life and history of the region. For shopping enthusiasts, the City Creek Center is a paradise, while Liberty Park provides a tranquil escape in the heart of the city. Lastly, the spiritual and serene Tabernacle, coupled with the wild beauty of Antelope Island State Park, offer a perfect blend of man-made and natural wonders. Each destination is a story waiting to be discovered, a memory waiting to be made. So Salt Lake City is a city of wonders waiting to be explored. So pack your bags and start your adventure today.